Alas is back. Nandito po tayo sa Stop and Shop B-Mapa. Nandito lang po ang Jollibee. Ito po yung papuntang PUP. Nandito lang po ang Ukay Shoes. Stop and Shop in Alas in Ukay Shoes size 7. Ukay Shoes price 780. Ukay Shoes. Nike shoes price 880. Size 6. Nike shoes. New Balance size 6. Price 1280. Size 8.5. New Balance. Adidas shoes price 1380. Size 8. Adidas shoes. New Balance price 1580. Size 8.5. New Balance. Air Max Bubble price 880. Size 8. Air Max Bubble. Adidas shoes size 8. Price 1680. Adidas shoes. Nike Vapor Max price 980. Size 7. Nike Vapor Max. Pila shoes size 8. Price 1680. Pila shoes. Puma shoes price 1280. Size 8. Puma shoes. Nike shoes size 8.5. Price 1680. Nike shoes. Adidas Stan Smith size 8.5. Price 1580. Adidas Stan Smith. Doc Martens price 2280. Size 9. Doc Martens. New Balance price 1580. Size 9. New Balance. Nike Cortez size 6. Price 880. Nike Cortez. Adidas shoes size 10. Price 980. Adidas shoes. Converse size 10. Price 1480. Converse shoes. Adidas MMD price 1580. Size 10. Adidas Boost MMD Vans size 11. Price 1580. Vans. Adidas Boost size 9. Price 1580. Adidas Boost. Adidas size 10. Price 1580. Adidas Boost. Adidas. Nike shoes size 10. Price 1680. Nike Air Max Bubble. Adidas shoes size 9. Price 980. Adidas shoes. Nike Pegasus running shoes. Price 1680. Nike Pegasus running shoes. Vans size 6. Price 780. Vans. Nike shoes. Price 1280. Size 7. Nike shoes. Palladium size 9. Price 1380. Palladium shoes. Adidas Ultra Boost price 1680. Size 9. Adidas Ultra Boost. Nike shoes Air Bubble price 1680. Size 12. Nike Air Bubble. Puma shoes, size 9.5, price 1,580. Puma shoes. Nike shoes, size 10, price 1,580. Nike shoes, off-white. Nike Michael Jordan, price 1,880. Size 9. Nike Michael Jordan, Nike Air Force 1, price 880, size 9. Nike Air Force 1, Nike Air Bubble, size 9, price 1,580. Nike Air Max Bubble, Nike Michael Jordan, price 1,980, size 11. Nike Michael Jordan. Good evening. Hanggang dito na lang si Alas. Isang magandang gabi. Thank you. Hanggang dito na lang si Alas. Maraming salamat. Thank you. New arrival, stopping shop, Bima pa. Alas, back to back. Thank you.